Welcome to another episode of Decode with Mithun, Stock Market Analysis.
Picture this. Markets entering the day like a thriller. Quiet, steady, then bam. A wave of selling across financials and tech, yet a few shining stars defied the gloom. What sparked this dramatic flip? We'll unpack all of it, so stick around.
On Thursday, July 17, 2025, India's benchmark indices ended the session in the red. The Nifty 50 dipped approximately 0.39%, settling at Rs 25,111 and 45 paise, sliding about 100 points from the previous close of roughly 25,212. The BSE Sensex dropped 375 points, closing near Rs 82,259 and 24 paise. The Bank Nifty fell around 0.59%, down nearly 340 points, ending at Rs 56,828 and 80 paise.
In the money flow tug-of-war, foreign investors, FIIs, exited about Rs 3,694 crore, while domestic investors, DIIs, stepped in with Rs 2,820 crore of net buying.
Asian markets were mixed. Tokyo and Shanghai edged up, Hong Kong paused. Europe traded cautiously higher. US futures were flat, keeping domestic trading subdued amid ongoing Fed uncertainty around Chair Powell's future.
Tech and banking stocks led the decline. Tech Mahindra slipped about 1.5%, pulling the IT index lower. In contrast, automobile, mining, and healthcare sectors offered modest support, cushioning the broader market.
Nifty closed below its 20-day simple moving average, around 25,299, but remains above key support in the 25,000 to 25,100 band. Bank Nifty is now range-bound between 56,650 and 57,350. The next breakout may hinge on the fresh FII-DII flow picture.
Let's zoom into the big movers and why they matter. Ashapura Minichem Limited. The industrial minerals player didn't have fireworks today, hovered near Rs 85 to 90. But technicals show support around Rs 85. A bounce might set up a short-term 10-day burst. Ecos, India, Mobility and Hospitality Limited, touched lows midday before pulling back. Oversold RSI suggests a possible rebound if sector sentiment improves.
GE Vernova T&D India Limited. If you'd invested Rs 1 lakh in March, it's now about Rs 1,60,000, a near 70% surge in 4 months, validated by stock hitting roughly Rs 2,417 on July 17th. It's riding strong quarterly earnings. Net profit soared 181%. Year-over-year, debt minimal, ROE high, ideal for 10-day momentum play.
HEC Infra Projects Limited, Lumax Industries Limited, NACL Industries Limited, Parag Milk Foods Limited, Prudent Corporate Advisory Services Limited, RR Cable Limited, SAB Events and Governance Now Limited, Solmatex Infrastructure Developers Limited, Venus Remedies Limited. These names showed tactical moves, some rebounding off supports, others consolidating. For example, Prudent Advisory spiked on volume, possibly ready for a short-term 10-day rally, while NACL eyes break out near Rs 270 if volume holds.
The big one, Trent. This retail champion closed at Rs 5,417 and 50 paise, up about 0.66% on the day. Now trading just above its 5-day EMA Rs 5,406 and recently included in the Nifty 50, the stock seems set for more upside in the coming 10 days.
Blockbuster moments. Aditya Ultra Steel Limited, makers of Kamdenu TMT bars, surged over 17% in a single day, climbing from Rs 36 to approximately Rs 43.
Imagine converting Rs 1 lakh into Rs 67. 1,600 gain in mere days. That performance speaks volumes. Institutional activity is clear. Kabra Kailash sold 4 lakh shares at Rs 24.78, while Neo Apex Venture acquired 2.66 lakh, Key signs of serious interest.
Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, thanks to its subsidiary IGI's deal with AbbVie, landed a $700 million upfront licensing pact for its cancer drug ISB 2001, with total deal value up to $1.225 billion plus royalties. That sparked a jump to a 52-week high around Rs 2095, a roughly 10% one-day rally.
Tomorrow's forecast. Nifty, chop between rupees, 25,000 and 25,350, with resistance at 25,300 and pivotal support at 25,100. Bank Nifty, range bound from 56,600 to 57,350. Keep an eye on FII-DII flow and US Fed announcements.
Key sectors to monitor: power, infrastructure, steel, healthcare, and retail. Watch the option chain around Nifty 25,000 put and 25,500 call, plus Bank Nifty 56,500 to 57,000 for strikes with chunky open interest.
So, we've gone from a market that looked muted to stocks bursting into life. Steel rocketing, infra electrified, pharma hitting highs, emotion and opportunity, all in one session.
Miss all this and you'd miss the setups of tomorrow. Hit that subscribe, drop your questions. Our top-picked 10-day trades are coming up next week.
Now the important disclaimer. All views are educational, not financial advice. You must consult with your SEBI-registered financial expert for any investment. No one associated with this channel would be responsible in any form if you perform any trade action purely basis such educational episodes of this channel and without consulting your financial advisor.
And if you enjoyed this ride through the numbers, stories, and strategies, why not ride with us every day? Go ahead, subscribe to our channel, hit that little bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's moves, and if you liked today's insights, give us a thumbs up.
And don't just watch. Join the conversation. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. Tell us, which stock do you think will shine in the next 10 days? We just might feature your question in the next episode.
Until then, trade smart, stay curious.
See you next time, and as always, spread knowledge and spread happiness.